Hi, I'm Thomas Sellers Jr. and we're here on Millington Central High School 2020 Senior Pickup Day, where this has never been done before, where the kids have to come get their cap and gown, their awards, turn back in their computers and other things. And we got a couple faces here, well, one face really, but two young ladies here. I'll let you introduce yourself because I can't tell the difference.
I'm Maia Vath. And I'm Vath.
Our historians, they both finished third in the class of 2020, so congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Hall of Fame, y'all heading off to the Naval Academy?
Yes, sir.
All these achievements and awards, but thank you for taking time with the Millington Star. Let's talk about today. How does it feel, this unique circumstances?
It's crazy. I'm not a good driver, so it's a little scary going through the lawn, but it was fun. Yeah, it was nice to see everyone. Yeah, I like seeing everyone again.
Now, what are y'all going to remember most about this period of y'all senior year?
I guess just like the connections that you form, even without being in person. So like with Zoom classes and just like texting online and stuff, we're still connecting and learning, so it's fun.
Hey, y'all might got to get used to that for college and your future class, they must be doing more of that. But 4 years have gone by so fast, and the legacy, what is the legacy of the class of 2020 at Millington Central High School? What would y'all say would be the legacy?
That is a hard one.
A lot of people remember y'all as the pandemic class.
Yeah, right. I hope we're more than that. Yeah, I guess we're the class that overcame adversity and still stuck together no matter what.
So I guess with y'all being the historians of the class, y'all do have to look at things in retrospect and put things in a nice little capsule, a time capsule. I guess to kind of talk about society, but what was going on in those walls there during y'all time period? So my last question for y'all, being twins, I know y'all get all the jokes and all the who's who and all that kind of stuff, but what would be y'all legacy, would you say, at Millington Central High School? What do you hope people remember about you two?
This year I went in with the goal to make a positive difference, so I tried to become the secretary for the senior class and also for Beta Club, and I tried to lead the yearbook and different things like that, so I hope I just made the difference, even if it was just smiling.
Have a beautiful smile.
Thank
that
you.
means you have one too. And what would you say would be your legacy?
I would say the same kind of. I also want to make sure that everyone in the room is someone that I can talk to at any time, and I hope that I made people smile and laugh.
I think the class of 2020 will be remembered for that. Once we put this in perspective historically about the pandemic, everybody will remember each of the individuals that made this class so special, and our twins that made it special as well. So thank y'all for taking a moment on this very special day.
Thank you.